What is self-care? Self-care is an activity which we do deliberately in order to take care of your mental, physical, and emotional health. It may sound very simple and easy, but this is what we often forget. It makes no sense that you are a professional, student, or a homemaker. Self-care should be the top priority. And that is why today I'll be talking about 10 steps to take care of yourself to do a proper self-care. Before we proceed, show real, hit the like button and subscribe to get more such content. Namaste, my name is Tanvita Ganguly from tanvitaganguly.com, who has turned her life from introvert to extrovert, an extremely sad, depressed girl to a healer. Before we start for the 10 steps, I want to share the points which we also need to take care of that if we don't take care of ourselves, then what will happen? If we don't take care of yourself, then what is actually happening with us currently? Analyze, alright? So the first point is that we feel like we are not good enough. Whatever is happening with us, whatever line or path we are crossing, we always feel like we don't have that own power to be confident about our work. We always feel like we need a stick to work, we need approval from outwards to get verified, then only we can be a successful person. Well, if you're doing that, then you are actually not taking care of yourself well, because you are not believing within you. Second point is your relationships are actually suffering. No matter what kind of relationships is this, it could be your family related, your office, your any kind of. Your relationships will suffer because you don't trust yourself, and that is why you are not able to spread that aura to others. Okay, so this is important points. The next thing is, this is the most common, and I was also a part of it, is nothing is your fault. You always feel like you are the most innocent one and the universe is working against you. Well, dear, it just cannot happen. It just cannot be. You have to analyze yourself where you are, and then only you can work on it to become your better version day by day. Every successful people have become their better version just like following these steps. So day by day you have to become your better version, so that you have to analyze where you are currently, what is your current version. Alright, so nothing is your fault is wrong. Next point is that you know where you are in terms of your personal hygiene. You know how important it is. I'm not gonna dig deep into it, but you people know where you are and where you actually need to take care of yourself. You know it, right? You know it. So please don't stop and just do it. Take care of your health and your personal hygiene, because this is the body which you're gonna carry up to your end of your life. Yeah? So please do it. The next point is that feel like you are in a mental fog. What does that mean? It's mean that you are driving a car, but you don't know what is your destination is. You don't know your life is all about. You don't know your goal. You don't know what destination. You don't know what you actually want to be. You don't know where you actually want to become. You always feel like, I don't know where my life is heading, but I am just going with the flow. Well, it can be happen that you don't know how to do that, but it never possible that you don't know your destination. If you don't, then you have to focus and have to find out your aim, your goal. This is very much important and you cannot skip it anyhow. Okay, so the next point is, which relatable to this point, is we are in a mental fog, so we get frustrated very soon, and that is why we take help from all addictive substances. There are many out there who knows that this is not right, but they are doing because they need help and they can't find the peace within themselves. Well, if you love yourself, if you do take care of yourself, you will find peace within you. You need to take help from others. If you really feel that no, I am doing wrong thing, then please come out from that zone immediately, because your inner self is actually talking with you and telling you this is high time to come out from that. Alright, so next point, which is also related to this, the moment you stop taking care of yourself, you end up gaining weight. You end up gaining all the disease related to gaining weight. So please take care of yourself, because this is the most important thing. Gaining weight is a point that you are not taking care of. You are not serious about your life, and you are not just taking care of your life. Alright, if you are part of any of the points which I mentioned, because this is the most prominent one I found, because there are others also, but this is the most prominent and common to others. That is why I have mentioned. Alright, so before I start, so this is important to understand and analyze that where you are currently, and then you have to take care of yourself. So I'll be sharing 10 steps to self-care, but before I proceed, I want to make sure that I want to share a very, very important point, which would be my 10th point, and that is I learned from my own experience. And that is why I am here. I am able to transform my life from A to B point. This is why I'm here. So I'll be sharing the most important point which I learned from my own experience as my 10th point. So I really want you to stick to the end to know what is that. Alright? So the first point is trust your instinct, trust your intuition. If you feel like your inner world is, your inner self is telling to do something, then just do it. Don't think much. If you feel like that the person is not right for you, then don't go. Alright? Feel your intuition and trust on it. Second point is, if you feel it wrong, then just don't do it. It is also a part of your intuition. If you are going anywhere, and if you are facing any circumstances which you feel like it is wrong, then just don't do it. Next point is, say exactly what you mean. Well, it may, don't focus on that. Your words should not hurt anyone. So choose your word wisely and choose your tone also carefully, but say exactly what you want. Be clear with your voice, be clear with your word. Alright? Because my next point is, don't be a people pleaser. There is no point. You cannot please everybody. But if you please yourself, and if you're 100% sure about your word or your action, if you have 100 reasons to take that action, then you are pretty much sure, and then just do it. Don't be a people pleaser, because you are actually holding yourself and not meeting your higher self. Alright? The next point is, never ever speak bad about yourself, because there are many out there, right? Well, you may have noticed that you are in office, and there is one person, this is my own experience, that is why I'm sharing, that there is one person who is doing the exact thing what you are doing, but the person is getting more love, more attention, more respect, right? Because that person is always talk good about themselves. So it helps them to, spread that aura, and people who are come to that will talk good. So if you are actually doing the same work, but you are not taking care of your own self, and you're actually talking about bad, you're standing in front of the mirror and you think like, oh, I'm ugly, oh, I'm less confident, oh, I don't like all the negative things, then you're doing the wrong thing. You're actually doing wrong to yourself. Don't do that. You remember one thing, that your thoughts become your reality. So please choose your thought very carefully. Right? Your next point is, never ever give up on your dreams. No matter whatever happens with your life, never ever give up, because this is what is you have taken birth to in this world, in this earth. So you have to fulfill it. So if you have a dream, and of course, if you are 100% sure about it, and 100 questions, 100 answers you have to support that, then please go ahead. Don't question, and don't just be a people pleaser, because you don't want them to say bad about you. Next point is, don't be afraid to say no. Well, yes, if you feel like no, just say it. I just say that be clear with your voice. If you feel like no, just say it. And my next point also, that if you feel like yes, then just say it. Be clear with your word, be clear with your intuition, so that people will also say that no, he or she is very much clear about what she wants from her life. Alright? So the next point is, stay away from negativity as much as possible, because that is what actually helps cluttering your mind. Well, this negativity is of no use, so please stay out of it, which will help you to declutter your mind, and your inner peace will not get disturbed, and you will feel good about yourself. So please do it. And the last, and which is the most important, and whoever listening to up to this, thank you so much. And now you're gonna actually experience a very good point, is be kind to yourself and let go whatever you cannot control. I learned it from somewhere. I read it on a book, and the moment I understood the value of this, I am here. I have changed my life. So whatever situation is coming in front of you, just judge with two questions. First, can you do anything of it? If you can't take any action to dissolve it, just do it. And if you can't, then just let it go. Don't think much about it, that what will happen. Just let it go, because that of no use, and that will actually spoil your mood, actually will disturb you. That is of no use. Alright, so trust yourself, and whatever you cannot take care of that, or you cannot take any action, then let it go. These two questions is most important. Whatever difficulties you are actually having now, put this question, you will get your answer. Alright, so thank you so much for listening up to end. I'm really thankful, and I also want you to do one point is, first, among those negative points, what you have currently, and among those positive, what you are going to change about. Please comment below, because I am really excited to hear that what is your current version and what you want to become. Yeah, so let's hands together and let's create the magic. Thank you so much, and take care.